This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Diane Waldron. This beautiful turnkey 2018 home won an #X2019 T lasts long. An exceptional 2-bedroom/den/2-bath/2-car home situated on one of the plantation and #X2019's beautiful lakes. An open floor plan, with 21 and #X201D, upgraded tile flooring throughout. This home has numerous upgrades featuring a gourmet kitchen, upgraded quartz counters and tile backsplash, large island, 42 and #X201D, cabinets, stainless steel Whirlpool appliances, and sliders to lanai from dinette. The master suite overlooks the lake, with large walk-in closet, walk-in shower, and large dual sink vanity. This wonderful like-new home also includes a finished laundry room and adjoining storage area, coffered ceiling and great room, large guest room with king bed, soft neutral paint colors, and 2 TV and #X2019's included. The plantation is an active community, with golf club patio restaurants, amenity center with resort-style pool/spa, private championship golf course, 6 tennis courts, pickleball, and fitness center. Golf club and social memberships available. A great location near I-75, Gulf Coast Mall, Miramar outlets, restaurants, RSW Airport and beaches. For more information, review the details below.